Hi everybody, I hope you're all well and having a great day. Jacqueline Buist, you sent me your shortbread recipe, which was fab. Thank you for that. And coming from Scotland, this is definitely Scottish shortbread. And as well, Jacqueline knows, I'm half Glaswegian. Hey! So yeah, I'm really looking forward to this because it's been, when was the last time I made shortbread? I can't even remember. Years. And I don't think I actually, well, I've certainly never made shortbread in the air fryer, so, and I know I've never done it for the channel, so this is great. And we all fancy shortbread today, so I'm going to give Jacqueline's recipe a go. It's really simple, which is the beauty about shortbread, bearing in mind how lovely it is at the end. All being well. Also, Jacqueline, you cooked it in your air fryer, so I have the perfect instructions from you, which is fabulous. So yeah, come and have a look at the ingredients. So the ingredients will float up, but I've got plain or all-purpose flour, butter, and I've actually got butter this time, although I have googled it and you can use marge. This is spare caster sugar for sprinkling and the caster sugar for the actual making of the shortbread, and I'm going to use this today, one of Trish's cutters that she sent me, which is brilliant, and because I like this one because it has the ridges, you know. So let's crack on and get cooking, and I'll put you on the wall for the mixing. See you in a bit. So Jacqueline, you said to cream the butter and sugar until a paste, and the butter should be at room temperature, so that's great. So let's crack on and do that. I'm kind of imagining you used a fork, and the butter is nice and soft. Funnily enough, it's funny using butter because I normally always use marge, but I did let this butter soften for the last few hours to get it to room temperature. So that's nicely creamed, and I'm going to slowly add the flour a bit at a time. Ooh. Right, I'm just going to get my hand in and form a ball. Right, I'm going to clean my hands and then put this on a floured surface before rolling out and cutting out my shapes. There we go. Just going to thingy-majiggy it, roll it out. I think it's a preference how thick you might want it. I'm not 100% sure yet. I'm going to try and decide before I get to the too thin stage. I'm just scattering some of the spare caster sugar, and whatever's left I'll put back in the bag. Ooh, yummy. So I'm going to clean my hands and then get them in the air fryer. So Jacqueline, you said to preheat it first. I've actually already got the parchment paper in there. I do wrap the crisper plate with it, and this is like ready shaped parchment paper that Jacqueline, you said to wet it, which was a really good idea. So I did do exactly that. It's slightly damp. You kind of run it under the tap, lightly shake it, scrunch it. So I'm going to preheat both drawers because I'm going to be using both drawers. Yeah, I think it must be at bake. So I'll just preheat it for a few minutes. Just 3. So I'll be back in a tick to put these in. Okay, so it's just finished preheating, so let's get these in the Ninja. What do I want it on? Bake, 180. We're going to say 10 minutes, but if we have to add minutes, we will check. So I'm going to get them in now. I'll put that in there and keep the drawer closed. Oops. Oh, never mind, the shortbread will weigh it down. Yeah, look, it's just as easy by hand. Lovely. Okay. I will see you in a bit. Right, it's finished. Smelling lovely. Let's have a look. Ooh. They've done well. I mean, maybe slightly. See, this basket 1 is always hotter than basket 2. But right, let's get these on the cooling rack. I mean, I kind of imagine I don't need to flip them. Oh yeah, I don't really want to. In fact, I'm going to let them cool in the basket to start with. I feel handling them is a bad idea. So I'm going to leave them as is, and I'll be back in about 10-15 minutes or a second. See you in a bit. Right, they've all cooled down, and I've sprinkled some fresh caster sugar on top. So before we get into the taste test, let's have a closer look. Oh, taste test time. Right, well, I'm gonna have try to taste that one. Yeah, because I want to save some because I'm going to go and visit my dad, so I'm going to take some with me if I get a chance, or make some more. Anyway. Ooh. Oh my God. Melt in your mouth, proper shortbread. Oh, that's truly delicious. Thank you, Jacqueline. Thank you very much for the recipe. Oh my God. That's perfect. Just the right consistency and all that. Oh, I mean, I've ate plenty of shortbread in my time. Rarely make it. And so easy, so easy. I'm definitely going to make this again. Oh, and the boys love shortbread. I mean, who doesn't? Oh. Oh my God, that is so lovely. It's sweet, but not too sweet. It crumbles in your mouth. And then just sort of dissipates. Oh yeah, lovely. thank you, Jacqueline, for the recipe. I really enjoyed making that, and I'm definitely going to make some more because I'm not sure this is going to last, and I'd like to take some down when I go to see my old Dar. So thanks everybody for watching, and I'll take care, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.